Hi, I'm Dr. Vore. I'm a retired guy that uses DaVinci Resolve to create videos for YouTube. And I've been using it since version 17. When version 20 came out, I was really excited about the use of audio transcription introduced in 20. But it's got a big problem. It's not easy to edit, and it's not always perfect because it doesn't always correctly spell things. And fixing those mistakes is tedious if they're repeated throughout the transcription. So I'm going to jump into Resolve and let's talk about the transcription. Here's a video I was working on recently where I discovered that Beulah as in Beulah, was consistently spelled wrong. Now, the only way to correct the spelling is to be on the source view of the transcription. So I want to make sure that the source view is at the same place as the timeline by clicking the match frame button. Then I can switch the editing to the source view and I'll be in the same place. And there's that word. You have to, of course, right click edit, pencil, highlight the text because you have to put the focus in that text box, make your correction, and press enter. Every time that's misspelled, you have to go through that process. I'll simply switch back to the timeline view, make sure I'm matched frame to where I was in the transcription, and there we are. So you have to repeat that process for every word that is consistently misspelled. It's tedious, especially if you're working through a longer timeline with quite a few misspellings. So that's my workaround. I hope you find that useful. Like me, I hope you, as well as the many who have already complained, will say, Black Magic, please make it easier to fix the timeline edit, the transcription editing by having search and replace and easier way to jump to or even edit from the timeline view. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.